Want to start investing but think you need thousands of dollars? Think again. A lot of people are intimidated by the idea of investing because they believe it requires a huge amount of money. But what if I told you that you could start investing with just $100? Ally's Robo Portfolios. That's where Ally Invest comes in. They have a service called Robo Portfolios that makes investing accessible for everyone. Robo Portfolios is a type of automated investing service, or a robo-advisor, which essentially means a computer program handles your investments for you. It's a great option for beginners who want a hands-off approach. The best part? You can get started with as little as a $100 minimum deposit. How it works and what it costs. Once you deposit the $100, Ally's Robo Portfolios will ask you some questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. Based on your answers, it will recommend a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These ETFs are baskets of different stocks, bonds, and other assets, which help spread out your risk. When it comes to fees, Ally offers two main options for its Robo Portfolios. Cash-enhanced portfolio. This option is for those who are a bit more cautious. It keeps around 30% of your portfolio in cash, which earns a competitive interest rate. The big bonus here is that there are no advisory fees with this portfolio. Market-focused portfolio. For those who want more of their money in the market, this is the better choice. It keeps only a small percentage, about 2%, in cash. This option does come with a low 0.3% annual advisory fee, which is charged monthly. To put that in perspective, if you have a $5,000 portfolio, you'd pay around $15 per year. Self-directed trading. If you're a more hands-on investor and want to choose your own stocks, ETFs, and other assets, Ally also offers self-directed trading. The great thing about this option is that there's no minimum deposit required to open an account. You can start with whatever amount you feel comfortable with and trade commission-free on eligible U.S. stocks and ETFs. So whether you prefer a simple, automated approach or want to be in the driver's seat, Ally has options that make investing accessible, even if you're starting small. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.